everyone. So I am going to be answering the following question. How can I build or edit my profile? So you go to the member hub, which is right here. There's the button right here on the top right. You can always access that as a member. And over here on the left is every option that's available for profile members. And over here on the right is every option that's available for network members. So on the left, you can see that there's a build or edit your profile. Why don't you click on that? And if you're building a new profile, then the profile form is right here. All you have to do is just fill it out. And on the bottom, you click build my profile. But if you have already built a profile and it's been approved and it's published live on the front side of our website and it's publicly accessible, you can actually view or edit it. And there's my profile right there. And if I want to view it live, that's an option right here. And if I want to edit my profile, that's an option right below. So when I click edit, all of my information is going to pop up and I can edit it, any part of it, including down here, the newest perk, which will be blank if you have not yet opted in. Go ahead and read it. It's the new inquiries perk. Go ahead and read what's written right below. And if you do agree and you want to opt in and include this option on your profile, then you click yes. And then you'd leave your email. I've already done it, so that's why it appears. You'd leave your email and then you'd simply click update. Now, what's really important to know once that goes away is that it goes back to the SoMeDocs team and is then pending. So you will not be able to see your profile live on the website until we approve the pending change. So that's the only thing that you do need to understand, and it takes between 1 and 2 days to get that approved. So I hope that clarifies how to build a new profile or how to view or edit an existing one.